I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application of quadratic equation. Find the two missing terms c and h for the equation x plus h whole square equals to x square plus 6x plus c to be true. I will show you two different ways of doing it. One is we can expand the left side and equate the two equations. The other one is we can do completing the squares for the right hand side and then do it, right? So method one, I'll expand the left side and then do it. Okay, there are times when one method may be preferred by the other, or sometimes you may understand one method and may not understand the other, correct? So either way, I think it helps. So let's begin with the left side. We have x plus h whole square. It could be expanded as x square plus 2xh plus h square, correct? Now, if you compare this with the given equation, which for us is x squared plus 6x plus c, what do you get? If we compare these two equations, 2xh, we have one equation, 2xh equals to 6x. So from here we can calculate what x is, or h is, right? So h is 6x divided by 2x, which is 3, correct? And from the other part, we can find c, which is c equals to h squared. And since we calculate h as 3, we can write c is 3 squared, which is equal to 9. So we get the value for both h and c. So that is one method. The other method is slightly longer, but there's no harm trying it, right? So let me write down here method 2. And that is completing the squares. So we'll practice completing the squares also. X squared plus 6x plus c. To complete squares, we will add and subtract half of 6, which is 3, square of that number. 3 square minus 3 square plus c, correct? And that becomes x squared. I can combine these three terms and write this as x plus 3 whole square minus 3 square is 9 plus c, and that gives me x plus 3 whole square minus 9 plus c. I just rewrote the same equation. Let's compare it with x plus h whole square. What do we get? So if we compare that, we can get that h is equals to 3, right, straight. And this part, which is a constant, which is minus 9 plus c, should be equal to 0, right? Because this is x plus h, correct? So from here we can say c is equals to 9. So we get exactly the same answer. Do you see that? C is equals to 9 and h equals to 3, correct? So we can write down our answer, and that is h equals to 3 and c equals to 9. But you could adopt any one of these methods. I hope that helped. Thank you and all the best.